Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagbenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka SOS Village Umïam, ka balong ka Jaka bajuri bat Sumar, iki Khunswet ki bawan ki long ying ka baduna ka Jaka kon. Kala rakhi ka jingdap arpasan Snem kinti, hapadeng ka jinya lenti, iki babon ki jing bat ki jing shat Kynjoh. Haga jing kram ikilar patai ku bor, haga arpasan tri uyayong arajar pausan, ki bor badai kmi, iki SOS India, bakintop, yu Chief Executive Officer, Usumanta Kar, ka CPO family like ke SOS India, Anuradha Abrol, but Director Jong SOS VC Shillong, Amar Joiti, Sarma Village Director, ke SOS CV Shillong, Klepen Pau Jusngo Kamen ke Bakrau, bag SOS Children Village Shillong ke Kynjoh, ke Jingdap Arfusan. Kilong ru ling bag jingdon jong ke SOS, klalong part ke jing termen, ik bebon kilong ying long sem, but ke imlang ka salang, namar bag SOS Children's Village Shillong, kla shim ye jing kular, pe iwe ni ke kena, kla do no ik mi pa, lani bla jando, ye ke jing Sumar, kidandon ke jing termen, ha ke jing im jongki.
While we started this program as a family-like care program for the children, those who have lost parental care, in a family-like care environment, where a mother who is known as SOS mother takes care of 8 children, and under the loving care of the mother, the children they grow, and after their schooling and education, they go to various vocational and professional courses, and then they join the mainstream of the society. We ensure that the children, when they grow in a SOS family, they grow with love, respect and security, and each child should have minimum senior secondary, at least one employable skill job before they move out from the program, good communication in English, IT skill and social skills which will navigate them to join the mainstream of the society. So our mothers, they play a very, very critical role and pivotal role for the holistic development of the children. While we started this program with the support from government of Meghalaya as well as the people of Meghalaya, they supported us for the last 25 years for the program. Over the years, we have also developed new basket of care solutions because every child requires different care setting. So we have started a program called kinship care program, foster care program and family strengthening program. Under the kinship care program, we have children, those who have lost parental care, but their relatives provide the care to the child, and SOS provides both skills and the financial support to enable the caregivers to take care of their children so that each child under the kinship care become a self-reliant, strong individual. In our family strengthening program, we ensure that the most vulnerable families are identified and they are supported with various services so that the children continue to stay with the parents and their basic rights are addressed, whether access to school, education, health, nutrition, and also the living condition of the parents also improves through various livelihood skills, linking them to various social benefit schemes. We also built a partnership with the government of Meghalaya for foster care program, where foster parents are identified by the government and the children are placed by the government, but then we as a technical partner build the capacity of the foster parents, build the capacity of the children, preparing various individual care plan, and also provide some financial support and technical supports for the children as well as the parent for the better upbringing of the children. Many of our children, they are in almost all the professions, whether it is engineering, whether it is medical, whether it is sports, hospitality, paramedicals, even in the defense and administration, hotel industries. There is hardly any profession where we do not have children. We have our girls, those who are also in the Air Force, and particularly during COVID time, our girls, those who are in nursing profession, they worked so tirelessly, they were recognized for their work. So almost all the professions they are, whether it is in the field of IT, whether it is in the field of Masters in Business Administrations, almost all the field. In the family strengthening program, we work with the local district administration to identify the community. We do a various PRA participatory rural appraisal involving the community to identify the most vulnerable families among the vulnerable families. And where with the participation of government and also the participation of community, we identify them, then work with them for a period of 5 years.
We follow the JJ Act and the policies of the government. So the children are in the family homes. The girls are there with us till the age of 18 years. After that, they are to move out of the children's village and they are in hostels or other educational institutes. The boys, they move out, they move to a youth house, we call it, youth home. So after the age of 14 years, they go to a youth home. And even the boys who are from the age of 11 years to 14 years, they are in a separate pre-Arunodaya, we call it as the boys' home. There are separate houses. They are not, the gender segregation is done at every village.
So how do you...
We support them since the children, they exit at the age of 23 years or 21 to 23 years from our program. They graduate from our program. So they, after they have gone to, after the 12th class, they go to any vocational courses or any other courses. And that also we do through a systematic process. That we do a lot of, there's a scientific methodology which we apply, that every child we do a multiple intelligence and multiple natures assessment. Looking at the child's aptitude, capability, desires, aspirations and this MIMN test, we identify what area the child is can be more probable for successful careers in life. And accordingly, the children, we get them admissions in colleges and institutes, and that's where they graduate from the program. After the education, they go for an internship and then for a job, and then once they are self-reliant, we exit them from the program.